Thank you for tuning into my channel, Adventures of DWOODS. Today's adventure video is me actually changing out the tail light in my car. So I've had to change out my tail lights before, so this back covering no longer has the little the holes, the inputs. So it's easy for me to just pull this down to have access to the back part of the tail light. And as you can see right here, these are the two lights themselves, and then we have the little 3 bolts that I need to take loose. I thought I might need some kind of screw, and they're not even tight, so I can just unscrew them with my hand. I think I need to take these out. So you gotta twist it a little to take it out. Twist, pull it out. And as you can see, it's already starting to come out right here. I don't know what that is. So this is attached. Okay, so I got it out. Here's the piece. This piece right here that I was trying to get out, I somehow just pulled it out. But it was right here. In this little hole right here. Okay, so I pushed it back in. I didn't see that well. Here's that main piece I tried to sew. That little square right here is where I put that square piece back. See? Just pushed it back in there. Now I'm gonna put these back in to their slides. So my kit actually came with 2 new bulbs, but there's nothing wrong with my old ones, so I'm gonna put my old ones back in here. So you just slide it in the hole, and then you turn it to lock it in. Other one, put it in the hole. Turn it, lock it in. So we're going to test the lights real quick just to make sure that I put it all in correctly before I attach the bolts back on here. So as you saw, everything the light was working, the back light was working, the signal light was working, all that. So I'm going to go ahead and screw these little bolts back on. Not too tight, but you know, tight enough so that it just don't come back off. Okay. Put your covering back.
Check out the new.
Bye.